Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to study social studies. So let's start. See here social studies book, chapter 5, having fun together, pages 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, so first page, open the page 26. Children, now we will be doing revision of social studies, chapter 5. Having fun together. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand we have fun in family in different ways. Playing is good for health. So children, all of us have some free time. Okay. All of us have some free time. We like to spend our free time with the family. We have fun in different ways. See the picture here, different ways. First picture, see. We play many indoor games like Ludo, Carom, chess, etc. We watch television. Sometimes we draw pictures and color them. We sing and dance on weekends. We read stories and jokes. We play with our pets, friends, brother and sister. Okay. So, children, next page, page 27. We have fun in different ways. See here, we go to meet our relatives on holidays. Okay. We go out for picnic. Next picture, see here. See the circus show. We enjoy acts performed by animals and clowns. Okay. So see the circus show and we enjoy acts performed by animals and clown. Okay. Next picture, see here, we go to the movie. Okay. So last, we go to the zoo. We see different kinds of animals and birds there. Next, we also visit fun parks. We enjoy swings, rides, article, rain, etc. We also visit fun parks. Okay, see the picture here. We enjoy swings, rides, artificial rain. Okay, artificial rain, etc. So see the picture here. Artificial rain, uh, swings. See the picture here, swings, rides. Okay, so next picture, see here, we can have fun when we go out to eat. Okay, and last one, you see, playing is good for our health. Okay, it makes us active. We should play outdoor games like cricket, football, hockey, badminton, etc. So we should play at the proper time, and so children, fun and play keep us healthy and active. Remember children, all play and no work makes Jack a dull boy. Play when you should play and study when you should study. Okay. Short notes is very important. We like to spend our free time with the family. We have fun in many ways. Fun and play makes us healthy and active. Okay. So children, if you are having any more doubts, watch the video that I have made earlier. Okay. And where I have explained in details. So children, next page, see the page number 29. Okay. Page 29. Question A. See, answer, I write here the answer. A answer I write here. Okay, right side you see, left side question and right side answer. So follow me. Number one, A, answer the following questions. Number one, with whom should we spend our free time? So answer, we should spend our free time with the family. We should spend our free time with the family. Number two, I like to play our cricket and football. Okay, I like to play our cricket and football. Number three question, who lives in a zoo? Who lives in a zoo? Different kinds of birds and animals live in a zoo. Okay, spelling mistake. Zoo. Stop. Number four, when should we visit our relatives? When should we visit our relatives? Number four, we should visit our relatives during holidays. We should visit our relatives during holidays. Okay? So practice. Next B. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Okay. Time, active, television, inside. Number one, I watch. Number one, we watch. You write here television. Okay. You write here television. TELEVISION. Okay. Television. Number two, we play indoor games. Okay. Inside house. We play indoor game inside. INSIDE. Inside house. Number three, we all have some free days. We all have some free, I write here time. TIME. Okay. Number four, fun and play make us healthy and active. Okay. Write here active. 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 Okay. I hope everyone understood. Number C, write T for true and F for false. Number one, I should play all the time. We should play all the time. We should play all the time. It's false. Okay. False. Number two, chase in an outdoor game. Chase in an outdoor game. It's false. Okay. Number three, we can visit our relatives any day. It's wrong. Okay. Next 4. We have fun in limited ways. Yes. We have fun in limited ways. True. So you see here answer BE. Now D. D, tick right the correct option number 1. Number 1. Which of the following is an indoor game? Sorry. Number 1. Which of the following is an indoor game? Which of the following is an indoor game? A, football, carom, cricket. So tick carom. B answer is right. Okay, so you tick here. Number 2. Whom should we play? A, strangers, beggars, friends. So answer friends. Okay. Number 3. Playing is good for our dash. Number A, health, fun, enjoy. So playing is good for our health. Write here health. Okay. HEALTH. Health. Okay. So answer health. Next page, E, page 30. E, write I for indoor and O for outdoor. Okay. Games. So children, do it on your own. See the picture, outdoor, indoor. So I for outdoor, indoor, and O for outdoor games. First one, E, I. Number 2, I. 3, outdoor game. Next, indoor game, outdoor game, and last one also outdoor game. Okay. F, do it on your own. Raju went to a zoo on Sunday. There he saw many birds and animals. In the box given below, there are names of some birds and animals. Encircle them. One has been done for him. So practice. This page also. So children, important page. This page is important, and question A, B, C, D is very important. Okay. Now children, take out your school diary. Again I repeat, if you are having any more doubts, okay, and watch the video that I have made earlier, where I have explained in details. So children, now children, take out your school diary, homework. You write your homework, chapter 5 pages. I write here 26 up to 31. Practice nicely.